guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sanjana here. So how are you all doing? Here is the video of question and answers with Sanju. I'm so sorry for the delay of this video as I was a little unwell and a little busy. So here's the video. And I didn't get many questions as I expected. Maybe not everyone wanted to know about me or wanted to ask me something. No problem. And thank you so much for all those who have sent me questions. Definitely I'll answer it. And one more thing, I will not mention the name of the person who's asking me these questions. So let's begin. So the first question I got was, how can you not like K-pop? I hate K-pop, trust me. I love only Indian songs because you know the Tapanguchi beats, either for dance or to listen or whatever. I find Indian songs amazing. Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi, Marathi, whatever. But I love Indian songs. Second question, tell your viewers something shocking about yourself. There's nothing shocking about myself, but there's one thing whenever I tell this to people, they ask me, are you a human being? So that thing is that I don't like ice cream and I don't like chocolates that much. Ice cream I don't like because there is a valid reason for it. Chocolates because it's sweet. I can't eat one dairy milk on my own. I make sure I give it to people and maybe half a dairy milk is the max I can eat at once. So third question, which is your favorite song and sing a snippet of it? My favorite song keeps changing every time according to what I listen to or according to my mood. Presently my favorite song is Jeena Jeena from the movie Badlapur, and because Varun Dhawan is my favorite hero and that is his movie. So sing a snippet of it, trust me you don't want to listen to me sing. Fourth question, what is the seventh picture in my gallery? And the seventh picture in my gallery is here. Fifth question, when are you going to do a vlog and will you vlog a day in my life once the pandemic is over? Trust me, I love vlogging and it's been a dream to put vlogs in my YouTube channel. What I do, where I go, what I'm doing and all that. And a day in my life is something I really want to do. I want to do a vlog before the pandemic ends also, because now presently how I get up, what I do the whole day, what's my routine during this time and what's my routine after everything is back to normal, I will do both. So I'm going to start the vlogs soon. Sixth question, what makes you excited and enthusiastic about making YouTube videos? So what makes me enthusiastic and excited is all of you who support me, who encourage me for any content I throw, for my cooking videos, my dance videos, or question and answers with Sanju and anything. Whenever I post a video, I get so many comments, so many people call and tell, I saw your video, it is very nice. So thank you so much. If my content was good also and I didn't have anybody to support me or I didn't have anybody to encourage me like this, definitely I wouldn't have the enthusiasm of making more videos. So thank you so much. And what's my inspiration and the cause behind it? Cause behind my YouTube videos. So I don't have any inspiration for YouTube videos. I tell you the way I thought of starting my YouTube channel. Actually, whenever I would post the photos of my cooking things or whatever I cooked in social media, they would ask me for recipes. So I'm like, okay, why not? Let me create a YouTube channel and put all my recipes or my cooking videos in it so that everybody can see. And then I started liking the response of people. So I started posting dance videos and then I'm coming up with different contents. So yeah, cause behind it is this and actually no inspiration. Next, seventh question. What would you choose between cooking and dancing? This is totally unfair. You're not supposed to ask me such questions. I can't choose. One is like air, one is like water. So cooking and dancing I will never choose. Eighth question. How do you wake up in the morning? I don't know exactly what you mean by how do you wake up in the morning, but I don't like to, I don't get up at once. 7:15 alarm rings till 7:45 and then 8 o'clock I get up. So that's how I am, and morning I'm a very cringy, very irritating person if I don't have a good sleep. So morning routine is sometimes bad. Ninth question. Two people have asked me this. I thought of not answering this question, but I'm taking this as a compliment. How do you look cute, or why are you cute? Thank you so much for the compliment. I would love such compliments. But for a few people, if I tell this on YouTube videos, they'll be like, what's she showing off? But I don't know why. I'll take it as a positive compliment. Thank you. 10th question. Again, two people asked me, who am I to you? As I told you, I will not mention the name, but you will understand itself. First, who am I to you? School friend? Kind, maybe. That's it. That's it about that person. The second person who asked me, who am I to you? My best friend. I call her a big monkey. My schoolmate only, but we have had loads of memories, and the time I spend with you is always amazing. Please meet me soon. Okay, so then 11th question was again, why are you cute? So yes, I answered that. Thank you so much. Then 12th question, what will you do to improve your videos based on the suggestions others give? Okay, this is a really important question I would love to answer, because many people, first when I posted the gobi manchurian video, they told that the screen, even if they make it full screen mode, it's coming only so much. Then I realized I had to take the video in the horizontal way, so I took it now maybe better. And one main thing I want to do is I have to learn laptop editing for videos, because presently I edit my videos in my mobile and post. After I learn laptop editing, I will take the videos in the camera and post it from the laptop directly, so the clarity also is good. And to improve my videos, improve my YouTube channel, I am going to try different contents, not only cooking, not only dancing. I'm going to have challenges, I'm going to do vlogs, I'm going to put more dance videos, something different, not as usual. So yes, thank you so much. 13th question, funny incident of being scared from cockroaches or lizard. Actually, this is not a funny incident what I would like to share. It's a creepy incident for me. And the creepy incident is that I was holding a pot and I was making sure there's no lizard from where I pick it. I'm holding for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then I feel something soft in the side. So suddenly I release my hand and I see that lizard. I was holding the lizard. I dropped the pot and I started shouting so much. Apparently, I told you it's not funny. It was creepy for me holding a lizard in your hand, and really creepy. Cockroaches every day. Every time I see a cockroach, first thing I do is jump or shout. And who inspired you for makeup? My 14th question. I would like to take these names because seeing their videos, seeing their Instagram channel, I got inspiration to do makeup and I follow them. One is Sandhya Raj Official. I'm telling them the makeup artists I know in Instagram, like I follow them. Sandhya Raj, and makeup by Arpita Dolly and Priyanka Raghuram ma'am. Priyanka Akka gave me a basic makeup course online. Thank you so much for that. And I am a big fan of all the three of them. I follow all their makeup ideas, and I'm planning to take classes from them too. Then, do you like being an imposter or crewmate in the game Among Us? I like being the imposter, of course, because imposter gets to kill people, vent, escape, then put somebody else in danger and kill them and all that. But crewmate is like you have to do basic tasks, and if you're getting killed but still you do task, or if you see someone killing then you report and all that. But imposter, always murderer is more fun than the normal people. Then my 16th question. Your top 4 nicknames. Sanju, as usual, you know. The others, I don't have top 4 because anything people find, they call me with that. There's one major nickname, but I would not love to share it in my YouTube channel. For the person who asked me this question, I will reply in personal. Thank you. 17th question, what is your favorite fast food? My favorite fast food is pizza. Fast food is definitely pizza. My favorite food is pani puri. I can live on it breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. I can keep eating. Fast food is pizza. 18th question. What don't you like in Instagram when others are posting something? Okay, what I don't like is people's comments to the people who post. Like, for example, I keep posting frequently, I keep putting stories frequently. So many people are like, dude, grow up, post less stories. What is this? Whatever you find, wherever you go, you post. Stop judging people based on what they do. You can't judge anyone for what they like to do. They can post 100, they can post 100 photos, they can post 100 stories. If you don't like to watch the stories, or if you don't want to see their post, then stop following them or block them. You don't have any rights to tell someone what they have to do in their account with their phone, not your money, or not your phone, not your time. Then 19th question. Okay, this is not a question, but we should meet soon, Sanju. Yes, we should definitely meet soon. I know this pandemic is there, I didn't meet many people, but yes, we should definitely meet soon. 20th question. What made you, okay, what inspired me to be a YouTuber? And I love all your videos. Thank you so much. Nothing inspired me to be a YouTuber. I mentioned in my previous questions why I wanted to be a YouTuber. The 21st and the last question. What type of content will we see in future? Okay, this also I answer, but I don't mind. Vlogs, challenges, different contents, definitely, not only cooking or dancing. If it's cooking, also not regular recipes. If it's dancing, also not a regular way of dance videos, because people will get bored of it. Definitely you will get to see different content in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for everybody who asked questions, and we are at the end of the video. And I know you heard many sounds, many sounds during this video. I shot this whole video many times, 5 to 6 times, because construction is going on opposite to my house, my neighbor's house. Cooker ki CT is going on and going on. So I tried to reshoot so many times, but I'm sorry for the disturbance, renovation, neighbor, all that. I'm sorry. So see you in the next video, and my next video is going to be exciting. Wait and watch. Bye.